In the corner of the crowded room, your eyes meet mine. Conversations fill the air, lost in space and time. I don't ask for your name, it's already carved in the air. I won't light a flame, it's already burning when you are near. Taking steps to keep my distance, I don't wanna fall. Am I strong